The dual degree in business administration and design is unique because it combines the two aspects that are going to be very essential for the future in business and in the economies of the world if we want to have successful growth. And that is the combination of creativity and understanding how to make business successful and understanding the drivers of entrepreneurial success. So the uniqueness of this program is not just in the course content, but it's also in the type of people that are on the program and the way that they engage, because it's a very practical course. You do a lot of things, you test your skills and you develop your abilities. So when you actually choose this degree, you'll be integrating those two programs every semester of your 5 years through practical projects, through collaborations, and through understanding how business influences design and design influences the world of business. The competitive advantage that this degree gives to our students is actually really important to recognize when you make your choice. There are a couple of different aspects. The first one is that this is a very practical course. So what you do in design and what you do in business are essential for you to develop skills. And those skills are very much in demand in the businesses of the future. Because the businesses of the future are not going to be just looking at data management and not just be looking at how to manage a business, but also how to create new models, new designs, and new ways of doing business. This program is very practical in that it integrates both the business side and the design, and you do this all the time, every year, every semester, through courses, a lot of group work and a lot of projects that at the end of the 5 years will give you a great insight, but also some very practical skills. What makes this competitive for you as a graduate from this program? We know that we talk to companies, we know that companies are actually looking for these skills. Business administration and design students will be fundamental to our future. This dual degree over 5 years will give students a fundamental look at how to do this successfully. You know, to be both creative as well as to throw in all the business disciplines to make it a success. And it's very important for society. At IE, we believe that this is something that the world needs. We need leaders who can combine business and design. So we hope we're going to choose it.